How are we doing, folks? Just getting back with some more content here. Some tools. So kind of unboxing of just some new tools. That's always kind of fun. So got some stuff from Tecton. Quite a bit of stuff from Tecton. Stuff from eBay to fill in some gaps, and some Wright tools as well. So anyways, what I'll do here is just kind of I guess I'll just kind of run through what I got here. So this is one of their socket sets. This should be a metric, and I believe this, I can't remember what range this one goes, but yeah, so it is a, let's see here, a 29 piece. Sorry, I probably can't see that, but anyways, it's a 29 piece half-inch drive, 10 through 38. That's what I was looking for. So it's a 10 through 38 standard, non-deep, and then this is a 10 through 38 deep. Pulled one of these out already. I mean, the fit and finish quality on them is pretty nice. You know, I wouldn't say it's like the best thing ever. Some little nicks, but overall, I mean, the machine work inside there seems nice. But yeah, I really just needed a set just to stay in the box here inside the shop at all times. Then I've got my one over there that's kind of for the road, and then I'm not mix matching, and that one's got some smaller stuff in it. I mean, it doesn't go as big, right? And or I guess in wide range too. I mean, so anyways, these are just gonna live in the bench, or sorry, in the box here inside the house to use inside here, and then a bunch of stuff. So yeah, a bunch of stuff for I guess more just filling in some of the gaps. Yeah, for instance, I've got a gap right here in this wrench, and then I go from a 25 and skip to a 30, so I filled in some of these gaps a little bit. So that'll be nice. And so yeah, I'll just get to kind of opening a couple of these guys and see what we think. So I'll start with some of the stuff from eBay. And so some of the stuff I got from eBay here is just some old, should be some old Craftsman stuff here. And you know, kind of went that route, just see what I paid for is actually what I got, right? But you know, trying to find some stuff that's made in the United States, not break the bank, is kind of a pain now. So I ordered a couple old Craftsman sets, off, like I say, off of eBay. So and again, really just trying to fill in some of the small gaps I've got for the box here inside the shop. So yeah, maybe if I could get the plastic off of this guy, would be ahead of things here. So yeah, let's see here. So this, what do we got here? Half-inch, no, this, sorry, not half-inch, quarter-inch drive, yeah. So a little quarter-inch drive set, Craftsman. Should be looks like an older one, hopefully made in the United States. Looks like they are. Kind of a new old stock thing. They're 6 points, and that set goes from, looks like the 3/16 all the way up through 9/16. So that's what that guy is. If I remember correctly, this other guy is a deep version of the same thing, and you know, I don't use a ton of the little quarter-inch drive sockets. Yeah, so there's this guy. So they'll appear to be in pretty good shape. Yeah, no rust or corrosion, so that's nice. I don't know, never had any issues with some of my old you know, Craftsman US sockets, so that's why I kind of went with these, and it wasn't a terrible deal, honestly, from what I could find on eBay, but kind of cool. So And then what do I got here? These should be the SKs, I believe. Oh yeah. I'm gonna slice right through that. That's alright. So, these beauties. Oh, thank you for your purchase. Yeah. So, looks like I just got one of the wrenches that I thought I was getting. So I'm sure the other ones are in route. But yeah, so what is this guy? So this is a 32 mil. Kind of filling in some gaps on the metric side. Looks like a genuine ASK, you know. So throw it in the box. Here I've got a Tecton little 1/4-inch drive torque wrench, and it overall, I did crack this one actually open the other night, and I think there might be something wrong with it because well, right on it in multiple places it tells you got to store it. There you go. Store at 1.1 newton meters or store at 10 inch-pounds. Now, you cannot get this thing to go below where it's at right now. And I don't know if you can read that or if this thing will want to focus. There you go. It does not want to go below that mark. So, I don't know. Might be bad. Gotta probably call Tecton on that one and see if that's right. And I guess end up with my first call experience to them for anything. So that's that. Let's see, what else do we got here? So these are pretty nice. Needed some adapters, and these actually got for a pretty good price. These 3 are Wright tools, so they're all made in the United States. The finish quality on them is really pretty nice, and so pretty excited for these guys, right? So now I'll pretty much have an adapter for everything, and I actually ordered some additional adapters through Tecton, so kind of be able to compare those, and then obviously you're not having to switch adapters between different ratchets and breaker bars all the time, so it's nice to have more than one. So got those. Tecton oxygen sensor socket. Nothing very exciting there, but seems like I needed one a couple times recently. Let's see here. Some impact sockets from Tecton. I'm guessing these are adapters. I don't think I ordered any impact sockets. So yeah. So here we have another adapter. You know, I think these are made in Taiwan. So there should be a few of these guys. So this is another adapter set, I believe. From Tecton. Yep, 4-piece adapter set. So it's like some 1/4-inch, all down to 1/4-inch drive, reducing. Yep, so 3/8 and here we go. So it looks like a 1/4 up to a 3/8. Yeah, so kind of nice. 1/4 up to 3/8. So sorry, not doing a great job. So got those. That was a four-piece set from Tecton there. Another adapter there. This set, little 3/8 drive set. It looks decent. 6 through 16 deep and standard sockets. Little ratchet, a couple extensions. Nothing too crazy, but decent little set just to maybe throw in the vehicle, or you know, I like that it does go all the way. Actually, it goes up to 24. Sorry about that. So it goes from 6 all the way through 24 with no skips, I believe. Yes. So that's pretty nice, because I don't have a ton of really the 3/8 drive sockets anywhere, except for once again in my box that's over there. So yeah, got those. And let's see here. So then I got some other stuff here from Tecton. Pick and hook set. Oh, these are made in the United States, so I'm kind of excited about these. At least I believe they are, if I remember correctly. It's one of the reasons I like them. And yeah. So those are pretty nice. Yeah, I'm not too crazy about the handle feel, but you know, they feel nice. So cool. That'd be handy because I've worn out my other ones. And what do we got here? So some spark plug socket set from Tecton. Yeah, so we'll set those guys down. Once again, I have spark plug sockets, but I have two. They live in there, and this is a 3-piece set. So anyways, that's kind of nice. And that's just another pick and hook set. And yeah, so here's these big bad mamma jammas. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, and I bought, you know, like I said, filling in some gaps with sockets, right? So these are all some Craftsman sockets, and obviously I've got a ton of holes. So I got these nice socket holders, socket rails, socket racks, whatever you want to call them, from Wrestling Machine. And I like them. I do. Sockets sitting there pretty nice. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill, and I've got a couple more of these from Wrestling. So I'm going to kind of pull out these Craftsman ones, fill in with these new Tecton sockets in as much as I can. And then I think I may have enough rails just to sporadically put some of these made in US Craftsman ones kind of in a grouping by themselves, even though I don't have, like I said, a nice complete set of those for living in here. But at least, you know, keep them, hold on to them. Sometimes it's nice to have maybe one or two of the exact same size. And these are 6 points. Majority of these are 12, so that's kind of nice too. And then I do have in here some more socket rails I can utilize if I need to. Yeah, so let's see what else. So yeah, here's kind of, you know, just some new tools, and I believe I've got 2 more of these SKs coming. I thought they all were supposed to get here at the same time, but I guess not. So that's that. So I just got the 132 apparently, and I think if I remember right, what did I order just so I didn't have skips? So I believe, even though it's not really a very common size, I did order the 20. So I got a let's see, so I believe I got the 8, or no, this is a 7. So I've got a 7 all the way through 25 now. And then I think with what I have coming, I've got, God, I can't remember what I ordered. But anyways, a couple more just to really kind of fill in a little bit more. And ones that I actually know I would use. So anyways, did that. And so that's kind of the tool. So I'm going to get ahead and put these guys away. And then maybe just show you a clip back of what I ended up with and call it a night. Take it easy. Catch you in a minute. Howdy folks, back here again to cut into this just quick tool video. Been a couple weeks. I lost my other clips that I had, so kind of just quickly remake this one and conclude this little video. So got everything put away. Still have not called Tecton about this torque wrench. I've been freaking gone and busy, and anyways, haven't been able to deal with any of that. So anyways, so got all of the new Tecton 12 or 6-point half-inch drive stuff put away in here. Takes up quite a bit of space. Here is that entire set that was in the red case for the 3/8 drive. Nice fit and finish. And then these are just a couple random Craftsman ones. But anyway, so this is, you know, it's a decent sized drawer. So she's pretty much not a ton of real estate left in here for things. So yeah, there's that. And yeah, I mean, if I did put in the rest of my my metric impacts in here, it'd be without a doubt completely full. Actually, I don't even think I could fit them all in there. So then over here, ended up getting just a little bit of reorganization in here, and then some of the adapters and spark plugs, sockets. Nothing fancy, just kind of, like I said, just a recap of how things fit into the box after I bought them. And as far as the wrenches, I did end up with a 20, a 27, and a 29, and 26. So that filled in this a lot better now. And actually, I think I've got the, what do I got, the 28. Is it 28 or no? It's got to be a 29, yeah, because I don't have a 28. It's the 29. I actually was using it last night. Sometimes I think I'm crazy when I buy some of this stuff, but you know, I do use it. So, anyways, with that, I'll let you go and catch up with you later.